How to fix Final Cut Pro library error. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So there might be several reasons behind this particular error, and one of the best solution and the easiest one is that you just simply click over on the top left and restart your PC, and this way you would be able to solve this particular problem. If the problem is still there, then there might be different reasons, like your project was created on another device and you are trying to edit it again on your PC. That's why you are facing this problem. And it might happen even on the same PC if the user was different, which means that there are different user accounts on your PC and the actual file was created on different user and you are now using it on another user within your PC. So in order to solve this particular problem, you will have to click over on the Apple icon, open up the settings, open up privacy and security. Now here you get this particular option of full disk access. Simply click on it. Then here you get this option of Final Cut Pro. Simply enable it, and this way you would be able to solve this particular problem on your PC. If the problem is still there, then the Final Cut Pro is not able to read your program properly and the file might have been edited on different version of Final Cut Pro. So this could be the possible reason, and you have the solutions. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.